Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing with you guys my first impression, thoughts and a review of some newly launched makeup items, and these are all that I got. And मैंने especially Amazon से मंगवाया क्योंकि they are having such beautiful, amazing sales. So I was like, let's dig in and let's get some newly launched item because बहुत ही अच्छी price में दे रहे थे. So this is going to be like an unbiased, unsponsored, honest review of all the items that I got. So yes, without much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. Also, मैं ढेर सारे Amazons के haul करने वाली हूँ because I shopped a lot. I'm going to do a ethnic wear haul. I'm going to do a jewelry haul and some restocking of my beauty essentials that I absolutely cannot live without. तो सारी चीजें एक के बाद मैं डालते जाऊंगी. आप लोग जरूर देख लेना and do not miss it out because this is going to be so amazing and so fun to watch. So make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel to watch all the fun content that I'm coming up with. So these are all the makeup that I got. So let's dive in. The very first item that I got is not something very new. It's been a while since it's here. थोड़ा time हो चुका है, but it's new for me. And why I'm saying a new, to my edition because I have never used it, but I've seen a lot of people saying so good stuff, about this particular product. So I had to give this a go. So this is the House of Makeup Luminous Skin Tint with Hyaluronic Acid, Goji Berry, and Niacinamide with SPF 25 PA3 plus, and this is what it looks like. First of all, जब मुझे receive हुआ, I was so disappointed because of the packaging. The product totally leaked. It is around like 799 or something like that, and just look at the halat of the product right here. This is how I received the product, which is very disappointing. But let's come down to the formulation. This is what I'm wearing. It's so lightweight. I also have the Nykaa Skin Tint. These two are very similar. I think Nykaa is a lot more luminous than this one, and I don't think कि ये ज़्यादा luminous है. I think in my opinion, Nykaa Skin Tint is a little more dewy and more luminous than this one. But look at the finish. I love the finish. It is so good, so natural. अगर आप एक natural skin tint चाह रहे हो, give you that very even tone look and to have that, sun protection, go for this right here. It's so good. I have the shade SL10. I was so confused कि मुझे क्या use करना चाहिए. Then I, randomly went ahead and got this one. मुझे लग रहा था कि ये काफी ज़्यादा light हो जाएगा मेरे लिए, but it's not. It is actually a very good shade for me, shade match for me. जो मैंने नायका का लिया था वो काफी ज्यादा डार्क हो चुका था. So if you're someone like me in my complexion, then go for this. I love this. I do not stick to a particular foundation shade because obviously धूप लगने पर tan हो जाती है और shade change हो जाता है. Winter जब आता है आप गोरे होने लगते हो तो तब shade change हो जाता है. So it totally depends on the surroundings and your environment. If you think that you are someone like me with my complexion, go for this right here. काफी अच्छा match है. But this one right here was $7.99. अगर आप ये order कर रहे हो, then keep this in mind. You might get product that will come something like this. अगर ये और भी हल्का सा 100 rupees cheaper होता ना, तो again चार चांद लग जाता. But this one actually is 100% clean, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, as well as sulfate-free. So, being, an Indian brand, I will 100% support this and I will go ahead and repurchase this over and over again because I just love it. Again, Nykaa का भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. It's an Indian brand, but this right here, it's so nice. So I took one for my mom as well because I just love it so much and she has been, using it and she just love it. Then I have the Maybelline का Colossal Bubble Mascara and I ordered this. देखो मैंने order करा. This is what I have. Again, I was like, what's the hype? It's just a mascara, ki, it will just give a volume and length to your lashes. That's what you use mascara for. But oh my god, look at my lashes. I've used this mascara and I am absolutely in love. I just fell in love. It just gave me that very beautiful wispy spidery lashes with just one single coat. I didn't even have to go ahead and dip the mascara again in the tube and get the product and coat my lashes. If you are someone who does not want that clumpy lashes, please do not go ahead and use another layer. Otherwise, it will tend to go ahead and clump up your lashes. They're giving this for 599 rupees, whereas this one retails for 649 rupees, which is, the best part. Amazon का काफी अच्छा, sale चल रहा है. You can go ahead and check this out. So, worth every single hype. very good launch, and I will definitely urge you guys to go ahead and check this out. Next, I have the Swiss Beauty Dew It Up Liquid Blush in the shade Peach Fuzz, and it comes in 4 different shades. Dusty pink, peach fuzz, muted pink, and blush pink. I really wanted this sort of like, peachy, orangish color, and that's why I ye pick up kara. And boy, this is what I'm wearing. I'm tired of wearing such, pinky, mauvey blushes, and I really want to switch it up. And this is what I bought. And look at this. If you're again someone in my complexion, this is going to look so good. एक बहुत ही beautiful सा healthy glow देता है. If you really want to amp up your look and you don't want something in a pink color, this will just look so nice. It will just look so gorgeous, and I just love it. A little goes a very long way. इतना ज़्यादा pigmented होता नहीं, because I was trying this again for the very first time. I'll just attach the video right here. This one right here just for 369 rupees, but Amazon का काफी अच्छा sale चल रहा है, and they are just giving it for 295 rupees. Okay, and the last product that I got from Amazon का sale is this very beautiful pistachio and caramel का attar. I don't know कैसा होगा. This is the very first time I'll be using an attar. I love anything that's gourmand, that's sweet and spicy and oud light. So I really wanted to, give this a try. Zyada, reviews henny, but it got 4 stars. So I really went ahead and got, an attar for myself. So this is like my first time I'll be trying an attar. So actually this pistachio and caramel one. So this is the Luxify scent pistachio and caramel attar, 100% pure and alcohol-free gourmand perfume oil, which is very long lasting and is a unisex perfume. And this is for 300 rupees. सिर्फ ऊपर का पैकेजिंग खोला है, but I have not even seen this. ये कैसा है? So oh my god, look at this. Again, इसका roller ball ऊपर अलग से दिया गया है. So let me just go ahead and open this up. Oh my god. This smells so good. Roller ball like this. This is so good. I'm going to give this to all my girlfriends because this is going to make them so happy. For 300 rupees, this smells like a very luxurious perfume. So अगर आप एक pistachio caramelly perfume चाह रहे थे, and if you want that very long lasting scent, go for this. This was like a completely blind buy. मुझे दिखा कि pistachio caramel है, मैंने order करा, and but this turned out to be such a beautiful sense. So yeah, with that I would like to end today's video and I hope you guys like it. मैं सारी चीजों के link description बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप खुद जरूर चेक कर लेना. And I'm so happy. All the things that I got, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, 4 से 5 चीजें मैंने मंगवाया, but all the things that I got, it just turned out to be so good and पूरा पैसा वसूल चीजें है. I will see you guys in my next video. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.